Hello, so comrades. Hope you're all doing great. So, in this class, we'll be learning how to cut a simple umbrella hijab, like a basic umbrella hijab. That's the pattern. So, I'll be using a lycra fabric, a stretchy material, like all the stretchy material that I use for tight fitting clothes. You know them. So, I'll be using one trouser, that's 45 inches, one trouser of lycra fabric. I'll fold my fabric into two. I will be folding it on the 60 inches side. Like when you buy your fabric, the longer side, the length. Yeah. So I'll be folding it on that side, just as I'm doing there. I'll fold it and make it equal. Yeah, like this. So I'll measure the front measurement, and that's 30 inches. It's 60 inches on fold, so that makes it 30 inches. So the back measurement I'm using here is 38 inches. You can make your back measurement to be lesser than 38. It depends on what you measured. But you need to make it longer than the front, like 5 inches longer than the front measurement. So now I'll mark the front measurement too. And then I'll try to mark out my side length too. Like the sleeve area. Although we are not putting sleeve. So here, I'll first mark out my front measurement. I'll mark out 30 inches. Then I'll also mark the back measurement, which is 38 inches. And then I'll find the midpoint between the front measurement that I marked and the back measurement, which is 38 inches. Like I'll find the midpoint between 30 and 38, and that's 34 inches. So the thing here is that you need to make your side measurement to be longer than the front and lower than the back. Hope you get that. So 34 inches is higher than the front length, which is 30 inches, and it is lower than the back length, which is 38 inches. And then connect the three lengths together: the front length, the side length, and the back length. So now I'm connecting the lines together. I'm marking it from the front to the center, or the middle, or the side length. It's the same thing. Then to the back. And then I'm just going to cut it out. I'll cut it tracing the line that I drew. So that's it. You can trim some places if you see there is a need to do so. Just trimming out where necessary. And then I'll go to my face circumference, measure it, and then notch it. So your face circumference divided by 2. That's what you will notch. Okay? And then we'll cut out the cape. Here I'll fold my fabric into two first. Measure if it's up to the wideness that I want. The wideness is usually 4 to 5. So after that I folded it again into 2. That's for folding. Then I measured 7 for the length of the cape and 4 inches for the wideness of the cape. And then I'm connecting the lines, and then I'll cut it out. Trying to shape it. And then I'll cut it. You see that I connected the line like a little curve. I didn't cut it straight. So that's it for the cutting. And now to the sewing. I'll be using an interlocking machine because it's not also a machine that sew lycra fabric. It's always stretchy. So I'll be using interlocking machine. But if your own sewing machine can sew it, then you are good to go. So first I'll attach the cape to the body. So I'll just take it to the machine and sew it. So I've done that already. I've sewn it. Then I'll fold the hijab, making the right side face each other. Then I'll be joining the front side. I'll join it from my face circumference where I notched earlier. Yeah, from my face circumference there, straight down. So I've already joined it. Then I'll be turning to the right side. And that's it for the cutting and the sewing of our umbrella hijab. So if you have an interlocking machine, you can use for the edges. You can use it to achieve a neat finishing. This is the outcome of our umbrella hijab. This is just the basic umbrella hijab. Like, you can use your umbrella hijab to cut many styles, like different styles. But for the basic, this is a beginner class. So for the basic umbrella hijab, this is just it. It's one of the simplest hijab to cut. So I'll be seeing you in the next class. Okay, bye.